Okay, everybody, before I get to the reaction part of the video, I just want to say that I'm not able to put the actual video up of Angelina, of this video, because I'm having an issue with the sound. This is the second time that's happened. It happened with the bandmate as well. Like when I upload, when I have the sound, when I have the video on my screen, on my desktop, the sound is fine. But when I upload it to YouTube, the sound disappears. I'm not sure what that's all about, how to fix it. If you let me know, if you know, please contact me to let me know why that may be happening, because this is a new thing. I've never had that issue before. So I'm going to continue looking, researching it, and now on with the video. Bye. Good afternoon, YouTubers. This is Darren from DP Sin Reactions, and I gotta apologize to all those Angelina Jordan fans out there because I haven't done a reaction to her in in about a year since If I Were a Boy came out. She did a recent concert performing I'd Rather Go Blind, and I love the way she surrounded herself with some amazingly talented people like this harmonica player. Ho 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 ho! Wow, I was really impressed with it. At the beginning of the video, she describes what she's going to sing as very jazzy, and bluesy. Well, it was. Holy smokes! And I loved how at the very beginning she joked around and was very comfortable with the audience. And that's something that she's always had that, but she's even more comfortable now. And you can see the emotion going through her face when she's singing. And then when the blues player takes over, she sort of steps aside and lets him take the spotlight for a bit. I love it when a singer, when the prime singer steps aside and lets other members of the band do their thing. The guitar player is awesome. All the members of the band, all the instruments sounded fantastic, but especially that harmonica. That guy knew how to play. I think that was Jimmy Zed, I think his name is, at the Alex Theater. Anyway, that guy, damn, maybe I'll do a reaction to him someday. But I want to see more from Angelina. I haven't done a lot of reaction to Angelina because she's been promoting all the same songs over the past year and hasn't released anything new that I'm aware of. If you think I'm wrong, please put it in my comments and I'll get to it or select the reaction. Yeah, what a fantastic! This is. She's very professional looking. She puts her hand on her chest. Every time she does, she reminds me of Celine Dion. What more can I say about this perfect young lady? Like, she is phenomenal. Got a great voice. The video quality isn't the greatest, but please watch it anyway. And before I go, I just want to say I was going to do a reaction to Bandmate, but something happened that caused the video to go quiet. Anyway, that's my reaction to Angelina Jordan, doing with an amazing backup from Jimmy Zed and his harmonica. Amazing. An amazing young voice from Angelina. And we're going to watch her progress as she continues on with her career. You guys have a good day. Stay safe. Bye.